Hey, we are going to go through the electrical system that I use for my little weekend camper rig that I have in the back of a small CX-5. So let's get started. Okay, let's get started up top. This is the 100 watt shade stopper flexible solar panel. It has shade resistant cells in it. So if you look at these little diodes, that allows electricity to bypass the shaded cells and give you more power. So it is rigid mounted with this 80/20 frame that you can actually get from Shade Stopper. So it has these attachments that go onto the crossbar. So I can take it off when I'm not using it during the work week. And it is running right through here next to my water tower down into my EcoFlow 850 watt hour battery. It's plugged in right here. And then I have my blender plugged into the inverter, and then my fridge into the 12 volt. And as you can see, the fridge port is on, the inverter is not because I'm not using it. And I use this Magic Bullet Mini, which is a 250 watt motor, which is great for blending up spinach in a protein shake in the morning. Then I use this Bouge RV 45 liter fridge, has all my sauces. It is great for me for like 4 days. Probably 5, but it pulls about 25 to 45 watts depending on the temperature. Right now it is about 60 degrees, give or take, and it's been doing great. Let's see, well, we got a bunch of sun right now. I am just north of Kanab in southern Utah. So let's see what power we're getting to the EcoFlow with that panel. Holy crap, right now we're getting 115 with direct sunlight. That is awesome. Earlier I was getting like 50 with shade, well, because the clouds. So, but usually even if it's cloudy, I'll still get like 35 watts, but dang, 115 is awesome for a 100 watt panel. All right, so that's the electrical system I use. Sometimes in the winter, I'll also throw in a heating blanket, something like that if it gets below 30 at night. So drop any comments or questions you have and tell me about your system or what you use or what you'd like to use in a small SUV.